And this is what worship is all about. Worship is not just songs, mga kapatid. Worship is celebration, joyful singing, thanksgiving to God, and also consecration of our life, obeying God, not hardening our hearts. And every day of our life, we surrender to God. Every day of our life, we are being tempted to grumble and to question ang presensya ng Panginoon sa ating buhay. But don't, mga kapatid. Instead, like Paul and Silas, it even shook the whole place. And instead of the purpose is to deliver Paul and Silas from the prison, actually, the jailer was the one who was set free from the prison. And he was saved because these faithful men of God praise and give thanks to our God in their most difficult time of their life. They did not complain, they didn't grumble. And we see yung mga tanikala, yung mga prisoner, no? Yung mga kulungan sa buhay ng mga tao nabuksan po at sila'y naligtas at nabigyan ng bagong buhay. I pray, mga kapatid, that you will not grow weary in serving the Lord. I pray, mga kapatid, that you will keep your eyes really on our God, great King. He loves you. He cares for us. And let's worship Him, for He's worthy of our praise. He's worthy of all worship. God bless you all.